Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Android version and freeing a little storage. This avoids errors during removal. Next, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications so you can see installed items. Tap the specific app you want removed, make sure it is not a system-critical component. Once done, choose Storage to clear cache and data. This shrinks leftover files and prevents stalled uninstalls. If you want to keep data, back it up first. Otherwise, proceed to uninstall. You now perform the core removal. Tap Uninstall and confirm the prompt so Android removes the app package. Make sure to revoke special permissions and remove device administrator access if the app had it. Otherwise, the uninstall may be blocked. If the uninstall button is missing, open Google Play to uninstall from there or use a trusted app manager for non-system apps. Once the package is removed, reboot the phone to finalize file cleanup and refresh system services. Finish by restarting your phone so Android fully releases resources and removes temporary files. Then check the app drawer and settings to confirm the app is gone. Make sure to inspect downloads and files for leftover folders and delete them to reclaim space. If removal failed, boot into safe mode to uninstall without third-party interference, and only as a last resort consider a factory reset after backing up. If you see errors, note the message. It guides whether permissions, admin rights, or corrupted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.